In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install the Java Development Kit, or JDK, on Windows 10. First, open your web browser and go to the official Oracle website, or search for Download JDK. Make sure you choose the official Oracle JDK to avoid any security risks. Once you're on the download page, select the version you want, usually the latest stable release. Scroll down to the Windows section and click the download link for the installer with the .exe extension. After the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions by clicking Next and choose the installation path if you want to customize it, or leave it as default. Then click Install. Once the installation finishes, it's a good idea to set up your environment variables so Windows knows where Java is installed. Open the Start menu, search for Environment Variables, and select Edit the System Environment Variables. Click on Environment Variables, then under System Variables, find the variable named Path. Click Edit, then New, and add the path to your JDK's bin folder, usually something like C:\program files \java \jdk-version\bin. Click OK to save the changes. Finally, to check if the JDK installed correctly, open Command Prompt and type java-version. If the version shows up, congratulations, JDK is installed and ready to use. And that's how you download and set up the JDK on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.